my brain sees you yawn. We're both doing the same thing.
Yeah.
If my brain sees a guy or a girl crazy exhausted,
Yeah.
it's not the same.
Okay, but sometimes you don't even need to see a yawn to yawn. If you talk about a yawn, you'll yawn. Watch this, you're gonna yawn.
I almost did. You little magician, you little David Blaine.
But I'm saying, like, you don't even need to see a yawn.
Have you
to
thrown
yawn.
up while you yawned?
Yeah.
I did. I did like a in my mouth throw up last night in the middle of a yawn at 3 o'clock in the morning, and it almost went on my son.
Wouldn't that be a little bit of retribution, though? Is that even wrong to do? Throw up on your son?
Now that you say it, I'm rocking him. I'm like,
Yeah. Yeah.
that's payback.